In this course, we will explore the fundamentals, operation, and maintenance of DC motors. We will start with the basics of magnetism and understand how these concepts come together in an electric motor for converting electrical power into mechanical power. You will gain an understanding of how DC motors work and the best practices for their upkeep. We will also discuss the different types of DC motors, such as series, shunt, and compound motors, and their respective applications. We will take a look inside an industrial DC motor, which consists of hundreds of precision parts and components, and explore each one in detail. There are two basic parts of a DC motor. The stationary part is called the field frame and the rotating part called the armature. The field frame houses components that generate a fixed magnetic field. The armature rotates within the magnetic field generated in the field frame. At both ends of the motor, you'll find components called end bells or end covers. These are mounted to the outer frame and serve to support the motor's bearings, help align the rotor with the stator, and enclose the internal components to protect them from dust and external damage. The rotor is supported by bearings housed within the end bells. The housing holds everything together. The housing is designed to support the weight of the motor as well as mechanical forces generated during operation.